Panama, 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 yeah. From a bond, them tell me say me destined for the throne. Grow with discipline, power stitch deep in my bone. Enough man try break my spirit, but me never bow down. Me rise brutal, fear speak truth where them no condone. Them vex, come me step bold, mind sharp like razor steel. Me carry greatness and me walk it like a royal seal. Reach for lead, not follow me command. Every road me tread, me stand tall, cause the fire in my soul come straight from God. Hear my voice, king energy, me not pretend not a thing. Born a king, me not crawl, me stand strong every day. Me rule my space, me build my path, nobody can swear. Life rough, but me make it bend, me lead with fearless heart. Me rain load, me blaze, me lane greatness from the start. Them talk plenty, but me solid. Me hold that royal ring, me no fall, me no break, me forever born a king. Enough heavy, but me carry it. Me hold that royal ring, me no fall, me no break, me forever born a king. Me crown heavy, but me carry it like breeze across the coast. Enough trials, test me still, me rise and deal with every boast. Them say me too bold, too raw, too wild for stay a team. But greatness never soft, me run through fire without shame. My people look to me for guidance, come and walk with sense. Me build kingdom from the dirt, me break down every fence. When me talk, them listen, real power in my tone. My legacy cemented, my destiny already known. My spirit trial, me never bow, me claim my rightful throne. Born a king, me live this life with strength, we never tire. Me burn through doubt, me clear my road, me move like blazing fire. Every setback teach me more, me use it for elevate. Me rule my fate, me seize my chance, me never hesitate. Them watch me climb, they watch me shine, them can't erase my name. Me stamp the earth with pure dominance, me rise above the flame. Me not change, me not hide, me forever born for rain. The spirit carved from granite, my foundation never shake. Leaders born, not crafted, my greatness them can't remake. Me fight strong, true storm a war, me conquer every test. Them throw dirt, but me transform, me turn pressure into success. Me talk royal, me move royal, my actions carry weight. Me guide the youth, them on the path, show them how to elevate. My legacy stretch far, my presence heavy like thundering. My destiny elevate, me live and die a king. No force of life can stop me rise or clip my regal wing. Born a king, me claim my life with power in every stride. Me rule my journey, me lift my people, me stand with solid pride. No man can dim my flame, my destiny locked in strong. Me march forward, me hold my crown, me right where me belong. Them thought nice, but me stay firm, my greatness always spring. Me never bow, me never fall, me forever born a king. Me no 40, but me solid, me hold that royal ring. Me no fall, me no break, me forever born a king. Man, I'm a born, man, I'm a born, man, I'm a born.